Welcome dear students. In this video we are going to learn about prime factorization. We already know that a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Expressing a number as a product of its factors is known as factorization. Thus, when 84 is written as 14 into 6, we say that 84 has been factorized. However, 84 can be factorized in other ways also, like 84 is equal to 2 into 42, 84 is equal to 3 into 28, 84 is equal to 4 into 21, 84 is equal to 6 into 14, 84 is equal to 7 into 12. These factors can be further decomposed. For example, 2 into 42, 42 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. So we get 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. And 84 is equal to 3 into 28 can be written as 3 into 28 can be written as 2 into 2 into 7. Then 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and 21 can be written as 3 into 7. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 and 14 can be written as 2 into 7. 7 is written like as it is, and 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Now notice all these factorizations. We see that on the right hand side all the factors are now prime numbers, and if you ignore the order of the prime factors in which they are written, all the combinations are one and the same. That is, all the combinations have 2 2s, 1 3 and 1 7. So in all the factorizations of 24, only one factorization, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, that is 2 2s, 1 3 and 1 7 has been obtained. In this factorization, all the factors are prime numbers, 2, 3 and 7. We have already done the video on prime numbers, so we know that these 2, 3 and 7 are prime numbers. Such factorization of a number is called prime factorization. Thus, writing a number as a product of prime numbers is called prime factorization. The terms in the product are called prime factors. The same prime factor may occur more than once. Like in 84, 2 occurred twice. So those prime factors which occur more than once, they can be written using exponents. Let's consider one example, 3528, 3528. Its prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So 2 into 2 into 2 can be written as 2 raised to power 3. 3 into 3 can be written as 3 square, and 7 into 7 can be written as 7 square. Some more examples of prime factorization. 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which will be written as 2 square into 3 square. 630 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7, which will be written as 2 into 3 square into 5 into 7. 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which will be written as 2 cube into 3 square. In prime factorization, 1 and the number itself are not included. So this is very important. In prime factorization, we do not write the number itself and we do not write 1 as their factors. Every composite number can be expressed as a product of prime factors, and this factorization is unique for that number. This is a very important statement and you should always remember this. For example, if prime factorization of 84 gave 2 2s, 1 3 and 1 7, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, this means that no other composite number would give this combination. That is, a composite number can be written as a product of its primes in one and only one way. How to do prime factorization? Let us learn this with the help of two examples. Let's consider number 1260. So write the number like this and make a grid of horizontal lines with one vertical line. So we see that this number is even number. So it will be divisible by 2, and 2 is the smallest prime number. So we start with the smallest prime number first. So we get 630. Now 630 is again an even number. So it will be again divisible by 2. So we divide by 2 again. We get 315. Now 315 is an odd number. It will not be divisible by 2. So we add the digits to see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 3 is the next prime number. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 315 is divisible by 3. So we divide by 3. We get 105. 105 means 1 plus 0 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 is again divisible by 3. So 105 is also divisible by 3. And we divide again by 3. Now 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. So 35 is not divisible by 3. So next prime number is 5. And we know that every number ending in 5 or 0 is divisible by 5. So 35 is divisible by 5. I get 7, which is a prime number. So we stop here. So when you get the quotient, the last quotient as a prime number, you stop dividing further, and that brings us to the end of this process of prime factorization. And the prime factorization of 1260 is 2 square into 3 square into 5 into 7. You start counting the numbers from here. So 2, the two 2's are there, so 2 square, then 3 square into 5 into 7. So that becomes our prime factorization. Now let us understand this. Let's do one more example, which will be an odd number. So we take number 45,045. Now this is an odd number, so it will not be divisible by 2. So I do not start with 2. So I check with 3. So 4 plus 5 is 9, plus 0 9, plus 4 13, plus 5 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So this number will also be divisible by 3. So I divide by 3. I again add up the digits to see its divisibility by 3. 1 plus 5 is 6. Again 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 12. It is divisible by 3. So I divide by 3 again. I get 5005. Now 5 plus 5 is 10, which is not divisible by 3. So I cannot divide any more by 3. But the number ends in 5. So it will be divisible by the next prime number 5. Okay, 1001. Now this number is not divisible by 5. So I check by 7. So I see that it is divisible by 7. So I get 143. Now 143 is not divisible by 7. So the next prime number is 11. So I see that in a 3-digit number, if the extreme digits add up to the middle digit, it is divisible by 3. So the extreme digits are 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, and the middle digit is 4. So I get the result 0. It means it is divisible by 11. So I divide by 11, I get 13, but 13 is a prime number. So I stop the division process here, and the prime factorization of this number is complete. So I write like this: 3 into 3, 3 square, into 5, into 7, into 11, into 13. This is the prime factorization of 45,045. So dear students, with this we come to the end of this video. I hope the video was helpful to you in understanding what is prime factorization and how to carry out prime factorization. For more videos related to education, math concepts, puzzles and Gurbani, do subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. God bless you all. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਰੱਬ ਰਾਖਾ।